guys, I hope you guys are well and fine. My name is Kushal Rathi and today we will discuss about how you can make a great LinkedIn profile and how you can optimize your profile. To watch the video till the end, you will learn so many things about it. So what we are waiting for? Let's start it. How you can make a great profile or how you can be searchable. So first, you have to create a LinkedIn profile by signing up by your email address and fill the basic details. So, as a fresher, you want to make a good LinkedIn profile, just go through the full video and do step by step as I am doing. So, guys, when you are creating or optimizing your profile, you have to understand what is your target audience or whom you are targeting. So let's start it. So first of all, you have to add a very good profile picture. Not too professional, not too casual. And a smiley face photo because a smiley face can give positivity to the people. So just save photo. Okay guys, your profile pic has been updated now. So after your profile pic is updated, you can add your cover photo. What your cover photo should be. You should talk to your target audience. You should clearly say what you do. You have to be approachable. So add your email address and kind of things. You cannot upload your cover photo with your phone. You have to upload your cover photo with your PC or desktop or laptop. So upload your cover photo. There is an app called Canvas. You can create a very good banner like this through Canvas. I'll give the link in description section. So guys, your cover photo is also been updated your profile picture and the cover pic. It's a time to optimize our headline. So click on this button and I have to optimize my headline. So I'm targeting as a digital marketer. So type digital marketer, entrepreneur, and what are your current position, what you are doing. Suppose I'm doing a head of marketing at Teacher Dundo, and what are your current position, what are your past position, you can also add in your headline. You can also add your education system, what you are what you are pursuing, your country, your location, and you choose an industry, suppose education and management. Education management, and just save it. So guys, your headline is updated and you can see here your profile strength is intermediate now. So what next? You have to write a summary. You have to optimize your description. So the question is, what should you write here? If you are a fresher, you have to write what you have done in your college time, kind of storytelling, add some keywords, tell who you are and how you do it. I'll do it practically. Suppose, hello, I am Kushal Rathi, a BCom graduate by qualification and a digital marketer by profession. So you should add keywords in your description section also, that I was aware about digital marketing, but when I got to know the power of the digital world, I started exploring many areas of digital marketing. As you see, I have used the word digital marketing 2 or 3 times. So this is my keywords. Just save it. So you can see your profile strength is increasing. So what next? What next? Add your skills. What your skills? Add basically 5 skills. Like also add keywords to your skills like digital marketing. Digital marketing as your skills. What next? Leadership. Team management. And what you are expert in. WordPress. Google Ads. So add minimum 5 skills. Got it. Your profile has been updated. You have successfully updated your profile picture, a good cover photo, a good headline, a good description. You have added minimum 5 skills, your experience and your education system. So what next? You have to be approachable. So add a basic contact info. So add your email address there. So any person will directly contact you via email address. So what else you should add in your profile? In the featured section, you can add links to a website, links to YouTube channels, any post, any media you can add here in the featured section. What in the background section? You can add work experience, education, license and certification and volunteer experience. Suppose I'll do license and certification as a digital marketing. Digital marketing from Google. And save it because this credentials does not expire. Okay, so guys, you have successfully created or optimized your profile. You can see this. I hope you guys all like this video. Do like and share this video. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet subscribed. Please like and share this video. Share करने में संकोच ना करें. Till then, stay safe and stay home.